Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Jenna's DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the owl's beak to the body. Okay, for this you will only need one of these two depending on what you prefer. If you're going to use a tapestry needle, before you see this, when you do the owl's beak, make sure that you have a longer piece of yarn, because it's easier for the sewing purposes. Now for me, I have it short because I love to pull the yarn with the hook. And remember, scissors, just in case you want to cut the yarn on the back. In my case, I don't really cut it because inside you're not gonna see. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna put this on this side. I'm gonna use my crochet hook. This one is smaller so I can pull the yarn. Okay, so I have my owl's body, and you will need to like kind of eyeball where do you want it, because remember, your owl, you're gonna have like a little space for the flowers, the eyes, and then goes your beak. And here I have the flowers that I made for the owl, so I know I need this space for the flowers. So I need the eyes, so it will be like over here. And in my case, that will be like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 rows down. Okay, and as you see, this is the half, so let me move it a little bit on the side. And here, what I do, I go inside the body, and I look where I put my beak, and then I pull the yarn in, see? And then I go to the other side and look where, see? I just put the hook where I see it will go. It will go here. And see why I use a crochet hook? Because it's easier to pull that yarn. Now inside, for securing the beak, I just do a knot and do another one. And the beak, it will depend on you. If you want to glue it, you can do that, or you can put some yarn and sew it. What I do is, like the point of the beak, I put my hook in there and like grab one of these, pull it, and see, it's here, and I just like put it in between one of the stitches, and I just pass it and then go inside again, but on the other side, see? And then I pull it in, and see, the beak is secure in there. And inside you just do another knot. It all depends on your preference. What I will do is, after everything is secure, like this one is secure there, I will just put glue under, some tacky glue. Okay, so hope this tutorial will help you how to put the owl's beak in place. Any questions, any comments, just leave them below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get the notification for the next video tutorial. Okay, see you, and thanks for watching. Bye.